Okay, guys, simple recipe today. It's DIY, 2 ingredients, and we are talking about the benefits of rice water. Rice water has been used for centuries for hair and beauty routines. So today I'm going to give you a quick recipe for your hair. Now, rice water is going to be beneficial because it's got amino acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. And these things make your hair feel healthier, smoother, and more resilient over time. No fancy recipe ingredients needed. Nothing fancy here. Just a half a cup of white rice, preferably organic jasmine, but if not, any rice you have left over will work just fine. And 2 cups of water. Play around with it later. You can go to 1 cup of water. But for this recipe today, let's do half a cup of white rice or any rice you have, 2 cups of water. Okay, you take that and you rinse the rice first. This is just going to remove any impurities. Think of it as a cleansing ritual to, purify the rice, extracting only the best nutrients into the water. After that, you take the 2 cups of water that you had, and you let the rice with the 2 cups of water soak for 30 minutes. During this time, the rice will infuse all its goodness and nutrients into the water. Now, if you really want to perk things up and boost the power of this treatment, you can leave it together in like a mason jar and let it ferment for 24 hours. This will add even more antioxidants, which can work wonders in your hair. I suggest try it both ways. It's not going to hurt anything. But once it's ready, then you strain the rice water into a jar or a spray bottle. And there you have it, a nutrient-packed hair treatment that you can actually make at home. And when you pour it in the container, you then apply the rice water to your hair. And after shampooing, you can apply it and then cover it from root to tip and let it sit 15 to 20 minutes. Now, I say before you or after you shampoo, just so the shampoo can remove the impurities and the rice water can get the nutrients in there. It will work magic, and then you'll rinse off the rice water with cool water and not anything else, but just the cool water. So you shampoo, clean all the stuff in your hair. You spray the rice water 15 to 20 minutes and you let it sit in your hair, and then you rinse it out with cool water. Go ahead and try it. Think of it as a spa day for your hair. Now, if your hair's not dirty and say you washed it the night before, then you can just go ahead and apply this mixture right to your hair and saturate it soaking wet and let it sit for 20 minutes and then get in and rinse it off. This is if you don't need to wash, with like shampoo again. I also have some recipes for hair mask that you can actually use on your hair, and it's more of a mask though instead of just the spray-in treatment. If that's something you guys are interested in, let me know. But you can store this leftover rice water in the fridge. Some people say it'll stay fresh for 5 days. I wouldn't store it more than 2 days, but that's up to you. And just try and play around with it. I mean, we're just talking about rice and water going on your head, so it's really not going to hurt it. A DIY rice water treatment will bring shine and strength back to your hair though. And like I said, this is something people have used for centuries. So go ahead, give it a try. If you like it, then I'd like to hear the results below. Just go ahead and leave a comment of what you think and how, so other people can read your comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, check out more videos here on Brighten Up Sunshine. If you guys want more videos or topics discussed with DIY recipes like this, then let me know. Want to thank you guys for your support. And remember, the sun always rises. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Or in the next video.